welcome to Condo Property Channel. I'm Pinky. Today I bring you to see nice and new building which is just complete in Pattaya city center area. I'm here only 2 minutes to Bali High Walking Street center area and Pattaya Beach Road. There are 47 stories of this building, 803 units. There are several types of the unit. Today I show you nice design of the unit, show unit and many nice facility. Follow me to see inside. Here is the lobby area. When you entrance, you will see nice and big lobby, high ceiling, beautiful design, modern luxury designs. And behind me is the counter. There are parking space which is underground, 4.5 floor of parking space. Total of the building is 47 story of building. And first floor, they have nice swimming pool, garden, and of course chilling area, and also have a few more facilities on other 2 floors. Follow me to see floor by floor. So we are going to see the other 4 facilities. Before we pass by, I'm going to tell you that there are also parking around the building at ground floor. And on my right hand side is nice swimming pool and garden on the first floor. And here we are at nice elevator area. Here we are on 31st floor. It's nice facility floor. Nice swimming pool and also have a fitness sauna on this floor. Also there are 1 more swimming pool on 46th floor. So there are total 3 swimming pool, ground floor, this floor and 46th floor. This all nice facility on the building and also have some chilling area where you can sit and see nice view from Patamnak to North Pattaya. And yeah, this is all nice facility on this building. So if you love to stay in city center area and enjoy nice facility, this is one of the nice choice. This is the show unit of 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. The size is 70 square meter. Actually, it's quite nice, big size for 2 bedroom. In this building, there are several types. Start from 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, smaller one. This one is 2 bedroom, bigger one. So 2 bedrooms starting price with 4.4 million Thai baht. This unit 70 square meters starting price with 6.99 million Thai baht, 6,990,000 Thai baht. 1 bedroom starting with 2.69, so 2,690,000 Thai baht. We will have the price right down for you. Unit includes fully furnished. You just need to buy TV, refrigerator and electric appliance more, but all fully furnished will include in the unit. Okay, when you come in the door, they use password door lock system, so it's quite convenient. And the door is very big and nice and thick. We have if you can see that many locks, quite safety door. When you come in, you will see the dining table area. This is the kitchen area with design as European kitchen. Black and white design, so it's quite modern. It's not too big, but it's good enough for a condo. And they have a hot pool, sink, and of course built-in cabinet, everything set up. Next to the kitchen, you have big living area. Already have big sofa, but you can add some more chair if you like. You can manage more the space because you have some bed area where you can play with. Next to me is balcony area. It's quite big for this size of unit, 70 square meter, and then the balcony is quite big, so you can use some more space with the balcony. If you would like to have outdoor set, outdoor dining areas, or some sofa, bed outdoor. It's quite nice space to sit around and chill out. I will go back to this door. This door is 1 bedroom, is this size. This bedroom you can access to the balcony, so you can also come in from the balcony to this bedroom. Actually, this one is not master bed. Okay, this one is a little bit special design. The toilet have a door in the bedroom, but you can also have a door from outside. It means there's a guest toilet also. But the size of the bed is quite big, like master bed. You have a lot of space around and wardrobe, and next to the bed you have a door from entrance door from outside, and you have another door from bedroom to the bathroom. And okay, rain shower, nice gray marble tile color. And seeing the bathroom is not so big, but the good part is you get a lot more space on the living area. It's modern luxury, so they use more like gray color and marble, which is I like. This is master bedroom actually, but the size is not that big, but it's good. Wardrobe, bed, nice door to the balcony. You can also exit to the balcony to enjoy the view from the bedroom. This is the bathroom with rain shower, sink, the good size. And this all about 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. If you like to have a condo in city center location, walking distance to many restaurants, or you can just drive motorbike or a car in only few minutes to walking street, Pattaya Beach or Central Festival. This is good option to live here. And the price starting with 2.699 million Thai baht for 1 bedroom, and 2 bedrooms starting with 4.4 million, and this type of unit 6.99 million. Get more information, video call viewings or any service, we always welcome. Please call us or write us email. You can write us to sales sales@propertypattaya.com if you would like to have an appointment for viewing, or if you are not in Thailand, you can have a video call for viewing. Every week, we will try to provide you a nice video for house and condo. Thank you for staying with us until end of the video, and see you again next week. Bye!